Welcome to Home of Math. For brainstorming, today we will solve a puzzle which is crack the password. Let's start. Here is a key. We need to open this one by 3 digits. Here is some hint like 682. One number is correct and well placed. Second, 614, one number is correct but wrongly placed. Third box, 2 number is correct but wrongly placed. Fourth box, nothing is correct. Fifth box, 1 number is correct but wrongly placed. So this is our hint. We need to solve this one. So first we make a box like this where we will put correct number till we don't know which number is correct. Now look, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 9 and 0. Look in the fourth box. Fourth box, nothing is correct. So no need to think anything. Just 7 3 8 we can out. So 7 3 8. Here is also 8 we can out, 7 we can out and 8 we can out. Okay, so first one, delete 7 3 and 8. This is our first step. So 0 is a correct number. Okay, 0 is a correct number but wrong place. So this right place is a wrong, and same thing in third box, 0 is a middle place, but here said 2 number are correct but wrongly placed. So we can write like this. We consider now 0. Here fifth box, right number but wrong place. Third box, right number but wrong place. So we understand this one. 0 will be in first box. Why? Because right side wrong, middle side wrong, so it should be in left side. So 0 will be in left side. Okay, number 3 or third step. So we already get 1 digit. Now consider number 6 from first box. 6 we can delete. Why? Because here 1 number is correct and well placed. Look, this 6 is not correct because we already get 0 in right place, and here 1 number is correct but wrong place in second box. First box 6 is a right place but second box 6 is a wrong place. It's not possible. Okay, so this 6 we can omit. So 6 already out. So here 2 is, 1 number is correct and well placed. This one is 2. Why? Because 6 both box is first place but wrong place, and 8 we already out. So 2 is a right number. Which one is third place? So we can write here 2. 6 is not a right number. 4. 2 is a right number and place is right. Now look, we need another number. Which one is middle part? Look. So another thing, if we consider about 2, in third box we saw 2 number are correct but wrongly placed. Like 2 is a right number but wrongly placed. 0 also a right number, wrongly placed. Okay. Now look, second box, 1 and 4. So we can easily understand the 1 is not a right number. Why? Because we already out 6 and here we saw 1 number is correct and wrongly placed. So it should not 1 because 1 in middle part, but middle part is not a correct place because here wrote wrongly placed. So obviously the right answer is 4 and it should in middle part. So here is 4 and we can write here 4. Our correct key is or password is 042. Okay. So here we can write 1 is not a right number. Cause its place is not correct. Okay. So we already get our answer. This is very interesting. Actually my describe power is not so good, but look at this thing. This is a correct format. We can easily find out the 3-digit key. Thank you very much being with me. From now, Home of Math, we will try to publish these kinds of brainstorming IQ. It will help us in our brain. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.